Want to add a solid color to your image or background? Befunky makes it easy. First, open your image in Befunky. Click on the background option in the toolbar and choose solid color from the options. Pick a color from the color picker and use the color codes to match the exact shade you want. Once selected, the solid color will fill the background, but you can also apply it to specific shapes or text by selecting them and changing their color. Click Apply to save the color changes to your image. A solid color can help make your text or main subject stand out more. What's your favorite solid color to use in designs? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.